YouTube, welcome back to the channel. It is so easy making coins on this game at the moment, and in this video we're gonna fly through all of the ways you can be making coins right now. There's some lower budget stuff, a little bit higher budget, and then we're also going to be looking at what content to expect in the next few days and some leaks. We do have potentially 93 rated evolutions coming soon, but before we get into all of that, we have to talk about content today on Saturday. And again, guys, if you want cheap, fast, reliable coins on FC25, make sure you check out u7buy.com and use code Teddy at checkout. You will get 8% off your order. u7buy.com, code Teddy at checkout. Link is in the description down below. All right, content today, Saturday. What do we got? We're going to start off with this Muller SBC. He's going to cost you 1 million coins. All these SBCs that they're releasing are solid. The KDB is solid, the Muller solid, the Van Persie solid. It's just, I just look at these cards and the amount that their SBCs cost, and then I look at cards that are on the market, and I'm just like, how do I feel about this? I don't know how I feel about it. He's 1 million coins to do this SBC. Obviously, you're going to have fodder. You're probably going to be able to do them for free fairly easily, but when I look at the market and I just look at the price of other options that I could choose, it's just slightly disappointing. I don't know. It's just the power curve with these team of the season cards is just, it's moved so far ahead. I just feel weird with these SBCs. That's just my opinion. Is it a stupid opinion? Maybe. Who knows? Is what it is. Now, let's get into the upgrade SBCs for the day. So we have the Premier League Team of the Season upgrade. Really easy SBC to complete if you want to get it done. 85 squad, 86 squad, bada bing, bada boom. Now, let's get into the juice. My webcam's kind of blocking it, so we'll favorite it, and it'll come over here, and my webcam's still blocking it. Let's get rid of these 82 times 20s because those things stink. 85 plus times 3 eafc upgrade, repeatable once every single day. We talked about this, guys. We said, hey, we have the 84 times 5 SBC expiring tomorrow on Saturday. That's now today. Something should replace it, and that could potentially make some stuff go up a lot. And we talked about 85s. And that's exactly what happened. 85s went from being 2,200, 2,500 coins on bid to then being 3,500 coins. Really easy. 86s were basically max price again. And yeah, this SBC is solid, and it's going to make 85s and 86s just stupid easy. Every single day, you're probably going to be able to trade with 85s and 86s very, very easily. So shout out EA. This is just going to be simple coins going forward. If you guys need coins, 85s, 86s, they're going to be your best friend. We'll get more into that in a second. I just want to finish content today, and we're going to quickly look at the evolution. The evolution we got today. It's not horrible. I don't think it's a horrible Evo. It's going to cost you 25,000 coins. It is another Evo that you can put Furman into. If you put the CDM evolution on Furman, you can then stick them into this. And it's max 92 rated. I can just throw it on someone so you can see what it looks like. It's a solid Evo. It's not super, super crazy, but it's not bad. That's all I'll say. It's not crazy. It's not bad. Yeah, that's all I'll really say about it. Now, let's get into the market. Let's fly through this. So, making coins. You guys want to make coins? 85s, 86s, team of the seasons. Let's talk about team of the seasons. I honestly think they're just going to keep rising. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. Maybe they don't go past a certain point this week just because they are still in packs. But once they're out of packs, I mean, think about it. Right now, I think they're 18.5. They're even more. 18.75. They're even more. They're 19,000. They're even more. What? They're 19,250 coins now. I mean, they just keep rising, and they just keep rising, and they just keep rising. If you see any dip on these cards after squad battle rewards, buy them. It should be a really simple buy, to be honest. And we've talked about it. These cards aren't really getting packed that much now. I mean, the lower rated ones aren't getting packed. It's just the higher rated team of the season cards, but you know, you still have team of the season requirements in all the upgrade SBCs, so they're just rising, and they're rising, and they're rising. You're not getting the team of seasons packed as often. But another thing is, I'm just looking at this, and we have team of the season cards at 19,250 coins already. Imagine how much they're going to go to once they're out of packs. I've talked about this for the past couple weeks. Team of the seasons are one of the easiest investments on FC25. Once team of the season comes to an end, they fly. Last year, they went to 50K. Year before that, FIFA 23, 70K. FIFA 22, they went to 80,000 coins. You can make so many coins on team of the season cards. I told you to buy them when they were 11K. I told you to buy them again a couple days ago on Thursday. Literally 2 days ago, they were 13,000 coins. Now they're 19K. They just keep going up and up and up. And the longer you wait, the more they're going to rise. That's kind of my take on it. I'll say maybe Thursday rival rewards. You might see a dip Thursday rival rewards as everyone tries to open their packs before Ultimate Team of Season is over. Maybe you'll see a dip then. But then after that, it's just up and up and up once they're out of packs. So this Team of Seasons, really stupid easy investment. Now, daily trading, I want to talk about this. You're going to be able to make coins every single day, trading with 85s, trading with 86s. It's really simple. And the reason for that is you have the 1 of 15 encore player pick, fully repeatable, making 86s stay high in price all the time. But then you have this 85 plus times 3 every single day, refreshing. Everyone's going to do it, and it has the exact 85 overall requirement. So every single day at content drop, people are going to go out and do this SBC. It requires 85s. You're going to see 85s go up in price. It's as simple as that. So let's take a look at these cards. Guys, we have squad battle rewards. Any dip on these cards with squad battle rewards, easy buy. Easy buy. They're down in price right now. They were all 3,500 coins, and now you can see they're down. I mean, there's no way he's actually 2.6, right? Let's look. Hold on. Let's look it up. There's no way. Sometimes the market's kind of weird like that. I just want to check out a couple of these cards and actually see if they're going for that price. Because if they're 2.6, that's a steal. That is a steal. Go buy. What? No one's touching them. Are you kidding me? Oh my goodness. So yeah, really easy buy on 85s. I'd say let's do our filter. Let's do our 85 overall filter. We'll go 2-1, let's go 2-5, and we'll go something like that. How many 85s pop up? Not too many, to be honest. Not a lot at all. What if I go like 2.6? Could my market be glitched? Maybe, because it's putting us 4 minutes out. But you can see the cards right here. Let me compare price just to see what people are actually bidding. I mean, I'd say if you can get these for 2.5, I'd buy them. 2.5? Yeah, my market's glitched because you see these are here at 2.5. But when and that's at the 1 minute mark. That's at the 1 minute mark. They're there at 2.5. But when I search, it's not popping up. So my market's glitched. Sometimes the market just doesn't show cards that are there and it glitches. It's really annoying. I don't know why it happened. See, I just fixed it. Now it's working. So yeah, use and now I'm jumped to the 4th minute again. Like those Walshes should be here at the 1 minute mark, but it's a glitched market. I can't do anything about it right now. Use that filter. Let's say try to get 85s for 2.5. It should be doable. It should definitely be doable. You might even be able to get them for less. I'm not gonna lie, you might be able to get them for less. There's no way. There's no way. What? Footbin has this guy at 2,200 coins. What? I'll buy all of these. Okay. Yeah, I mean, this is really stupid. He shouldn't be this price. If you can get 85s anywhere 2,500 coins or less, it's the easiest buy. That's all I'm going to say. You're going to easily be selling them for 3,500 coins. I wouldn't be surprised if we can start getting sales closer to like 3.8. You can get sales at 3.8. I had all mine listed at 3,800 coins before content drop. After content drop, all the 3,800 coin ones sold, all of them. So just know whatever you're buying these for, list them up for 3,800 coins. You'll get sales tomorrow at content drop. So 85s, let's say try to 2.5 max. Let's say 2.5 max. I mean, you can see right here, I'm getting pages right now for 2,200 coins. And I'll be selling them all for 3,800 coins, making super easy coins. Okay, so I'm going to leave that. Let's go look at 86s now. I mean, there's a lot of coins on those 85s. That's ridiculous right there. So let's talk about 86s. 86 overall cards. Looks like we got 7.5 here on Gabrielle. You're going to be able to sell these cards for 9,500, 9,800 coins, I think, fairly easily. We can go take a peek on the market right now, actually, at some of these. So if you're going to do a filter for 86s, it's going to look something like this. I don't know if they're really going to be popping up, though. I'd say you could go like that. Let's see. Do they pop up? Maybe they do. Maybe they don't. They do. All right, so look, 86s. Let's say try to get them for like 7K. Maybe you can get them for less. I bet you can get them for less. Let's do a bid through and then just kind of watch how much they go for. Let's just clear that. So now we can bid on this page and see what they go for. So 86s, you should be able to sell for 9.5. Like I said, 9.5, 9.8 fairly easily. And if they don't go for that tomorrow, in the next few days, you'll see that price. No doubt in my mind. So pretty easy on the 86s. There you go. And just try to get for around 7K. Maybe you squab out of rewards. Like, look, they're selling. Like, they just sell for 10K. These are so stupid. They're not 10K, but people just say screw it and they buy them for 10K. It's like the easiest coins you'll make. Just buy the 86s, list them for 9,800 coins, and you will have so many people buying them. It's really stupid, but it works. So that's that with 86s. That's basically it. 85s, 86s. Every single day, you're going to see them go up in price because of that SBC refreshing daily. We did it this previous week. Every day, 85s went to like over 3,000 coins at content drop. And then at nighttime, they came back down in price. We bought them. And then at content drop the next day, they went up in price again. It's just really, really, really easy to make coins when you have an SBC like this. So yeah, that's that. 85s, 86s. I'm telling you guys, just trade with them every single day. You're going to be making 100, 200, 300, 400K just daily. You buy 185s, you're making 100K. You buy 285s, you're making 200K. You buy 385s, you're making 300K. You're easily going to be making 1,000 coins per card on these players. So there's that. That's my take on the daily trades. I want to mention one more thing. 90 rated cards. We called out 90 rated cards on Friday. We talked about them saying, hey, they're required in the SBC. They're going to go up in price and they're extinct pretty much. Harry Kane is 20,750 coins. His max price is 21K. Same thing with Jude Bellingham, extinct. The other 90 rated golds, extinct. The only one that's not is KDB because he's still in packs. I do want to say he's so close to min price. You could probably pick this guy up for 11.5, maybe closer to 11K. Just list him up for like 13,500 coins. You'll probably get some sales if you want to do that. But what I'm very like certain on, 85s, 86s. They're a cheat code. Stupid easy coins. So that's that. That's how you guys are just going to consistently be making coins. Any other market, 3,800 coins they just went on bid for. We're at a point in the game when it's just really, really easy to make coins. If you hop on bids, you're just going to get stupid deals. Stupid. We were bidding yesterday and we were seeing cards sell for like 40,000 coins less than what they go for. They were going for 15, 20K on bid. They sell for 50K, 55K. We're just at that point when it's really easy to make coins, and especially when you have an SBC like this, just every single day refreshing. It's just simple, very easy. You'll make a lot of coins. So that's that. Other market stuff like team of the season cards, they're holding their value fairly well. We're not really seeing a lot of supply. It's kind of like a supply issue pretty much. No one's store wise, there's just not a crazy amount of tradable store packs. Again, today they didn't really release tradable store packs, so these cards have kind of held their value decently from yesterday's rebound. I bought this top. What did I buy this top for today? I bought them for 430, I think. Okay, so it seems like they're coming back down. I just went to the mall, so I haven't seen the market in a few hours. It seems like they're coming back down a little bit. I will say as the week goes on, I would expect these cards to just kind of continue to drop, especially with rival rewards. So that's that. Let's talk about leaks now. We have some big leaks to look at. What do we got? Foot Police. You will complete this Evo unless your right wing is crazy good. You will complete this Evo unless your right wing is crazy good. So it seems like we're getting a crazy 92 right wing evolution that's going to be good. Finesse plus, rapid plus, low driven. Those are really good play styles. Like that's the best. That 3 right there is the best. Stat boost, 5-star skill move, max 3 positions, max 10 regular playstyles, max 3 playstyle pluses. Okay, that is going to make right wings go absolutely insane. I think they're already up in price though. So if you see any right wingers that are up a lot, maybe keep an eye on them, see if they come back down a little. That's usually a way you can make coins with Evos. Maybe the Evo doesn't come out tomorrow, so then they come down in price. You can buy that dip. Another thing, CDM Evo, I think that's the one we got today. Is that the one we got today? Yes, that is the one we got today. Now look at this. 93 Evos are close. First thing I'm going to talk about 93 Evos. There's just 2 cards I'm going to mention. If we're getting 93 rated Evos soon, Henry, this is a big one. Thierry Henry's Team of the Year icon. This dude will be very expensive if he can fit an Evo. How's he been doing? He was up a lot when there was Evo hype. He's back down in price now. Another one. So you got Team of the Year, Ronaldinho, Henry, and then there's Ronaldinho. That's who I was going to go to. Ronaldinho is a crazy one. If this dude got an Evo, imagine if he fits an Evo, he'd go extinct, probably 2.4 mil extinct. So just a heads up, evolution, 93 rated evolutions on the way. And that's pretty much it for this video. Tomorrow is Sunday, so expect an icon SBC. Maybe that could help our 85s even more. Probably not, because if you think about it, icons, they suck. It's just how it is. They're just too outdated. They're way too outdated. We haven't had icons in well over a month, so they're just all outdated. It's as simple as that. The Team of the Season cards are way better. So probably won't be anything super exciting, to be honest. Keep an eye on the evolutions tomorrow. Monday, we get like player picks, stuff like that. Tuesday, more upgrade SBCs. And yeah, that's that. If you guys have any questions about today's video, let me know in the comment section down below. My trading Discord, Twitch live stream description down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.